When used as indoor sports facilities, steel buildings offer superior performance and long-term value that is simply unmatched by traditional wood-framed construction. Steel buildings from General Steel are faster and easier to construct. Their modular construction makes it easy to integrate framed openings, skylights, and seating areas for sporting events spectators. Steel buildings also cost less to heat and cool, they're cheaper to insure, and they require less ongoing building maintenance. And because General Steel pre-engineered sports facilities allow for uninterrupted interior spans of up to 300 feet, you get more room to kick, throw, cheer, and play without support columns getting in the way. Every steel building kit we sell is covered by the best structural warranty in the industry, which covers primary and secondary framing for 50 years. Your new sports facility from General Steel will be kitted and shipped with everything needed to frame and enclose the entire building. All you need to provide are the anchor bolts and a proper foundation. All the components you need to build your new steel sports facility arrive on site in shipments that are fast and easy to unload with a 2-person team and a forklift. In case you need assistance building your new sports facility, we can help with that too. General Steel maintains a professional network of pre-qualified local contractors who can assist with every aspect of your project, from framing to electrical, plumbing, and more. Our most common sizes for indoor sports facilities start with our 100 foot by 100 foot format. This allows for 10,000 square feet of interior space that can be used for training, meeting, playing, and more. For more room, our 100 foot by 200 foot size option is a great choice. Even with 20,000 square feet of interior space, there won't be any interior supports interrupting sporting activities. A 100 foot by 300 foot sports facility offers even more space for multiple fields of play, equipment storage, dedicated training areas, and much, much more. Lastly, our largest sports facility is the 200 foot by 450 foot Megaplex. This premier building allows for a full-size football field and a running track with room to spare. Whichever size you choose, your General Steel sports facility project will be overseen by a dedicated project manager who will keep you updated on the progress of your order starting on day one. You'll always know exactly what the status is, and if you have any questions, you'll know who to call for fast answers. At General Steel, our mission is the total success of your steel building project from start to finish. When you're ready for your free, no obligation quote for the perfect steel office building to suit your needs, we'll be here to help.